Welcome to our channel, where we share tips and strategies for personal finance and investing. Today, we're going to summarize one of the top investing books of all time. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing is a comprehensive guide to investing in the stock market. The book is written by John C. Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group and a pioneer of low-cost index investing. The book provides a clear and straightforward approach to investing, based on a simple premise that investing in a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds is the best way for the average investor to achieve their financial goals. The book starts by explaining the basic principles of investing and the key concepts of portfolio management, including diversification, risk and reward, and compounding. Bogle then provides a critique of the conventional wisdom of the investment industry, arguing that high-cost mutual funds, active management, and market timing strategies are unlikely to deliver superior returns for the average investor. The core of the book is Bogle's advocacy for index investing. He argues that index funds are the best way to achieve long-term investment success because they provide a low-cost, diversified, and passively managed exposure to the stock market. Bogle provides a step-by-step guide to building a successful investment portfolio using index funds, including how to choose the right index funds, how to allocate your assets, and how to manage your portfolio over time. The book also provides practical advice on how to manage your emotions as an investor and how to stay the course during market downturns. Bogle emphasizes the importance of avoiding common behavioral traps and sticking to a disciplined investment strategy, even during periods of market volatility. Throughout the book, Bogle provides concrete examples and case studies to illustrate his points, making the concepts easy to understand for the average reader. He also includes a wealth of practical tips and advice on how to achieve long-term investment success, from setting achievable financial goals to understanding the importance of tax-efficient investing. In conclusion, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing is a must-read for anyone who wants to achieve their financial goals through investing. Bogle's clear and straightforward approach to investing, combined with his years of experience and wisdom, make this book an indispensable resource for anyone who wants to build a successful investment portfolio. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced investor, this book provides the guidance and tools you need to achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching. To read the full version of the book, click on the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies for personal finance and investing.